Here is how I use AI to build websites that look good, feel good, have no bugs, no security issues, and no AI slope. So I build websites with AI every day. It's part of my job. And most people have this idea that if you build a website using AI, it's gonna look bad, it's gonna be easily hacked, it's not gonna be secure, or it's just gonna break. And that might be true if you don't know how to use AI. So you're telling me that AI can't build a website that is very secure? Of course it can. So it's not about the AI, it's not about the model, it's about the process. So here are the 4 ingredients that make a perfect website using AI. A good prompt, self-testing, fixing all the issues, and iterating. If you give the AI a detailed prompt with everything that you need exactly and you tell it what to do and what not to do, then you let the AI spawn multiple sub-agents. Each agent has one job and one task to do. For example, you can have a security reviewer and its only job is to expose any vulnerability issues in your code. It's gonna try to hack your website and find any security issues. Then an SEO reviewer that can use an actual tool like the Lighthouse tool to see a detailed prompt about your website SEO score and knows exactly what to fix. A code reviewer to check the quality of your code, and so on. Then you let the AI automatically fix any issues reported by these agents. Then you repeat the loop of testing and fixing until all the agents report that there are no issues. If you do that, you're gonna have basically a website with no issues. The only downside is that this consumes more tokens and more time. But if you don't do that, you're gonna spend the same amount of tokens and the same time on fixing these issues later. So I'd say it's worth it. Now for the first and most important step, the prompt. If you're gonna follow me, you know that I write very detailed prompts with all the requirements that I need, the stuff that I don't need, the design quality, and self-testing instructions. Like this video here where I built a Notion clone using one prompt. Well, I don't really write these prompts manually. I have created a Claude skill that can help me do that. You don't need to download this skill, you just grab the URL, you give it to Claude, and you tell it, hey, I want to use this skill to enhance my prompt about, and then you give it your idea. It takes your idea, it starts to ask you a few questions and tries to understand exactly what you need, and then it gives you a very detailed prompt that follows the prompt structure recommended by Anthropic and other big AI companies. So that's all there is to the prompt. Now the next step is self-testing. And for that, I use a team of AI engineers. You can see here I have 27 agents, and each agent is specialized in only one thing. We have performance reviewer, privacy reviewer, security reviewer, SEO, test reviewer, UI, UX, and so much more. Each agent has a description, has instructions and rules to follow, and in the end, it's going to output a markdown list with all the issues that it finds and the severity of each. Then we have the orchestrator here, which will take a look at all the outputs from all the agents and then decides what to do and what to change in the code. It's going to change the code, it's going to run all these agents again, and then this loop will continue until all the agents report that there are no issues. And again, these are also available for free in the description. You can just grab the URL, give it to Claude and tell it, hey, I want to use these agents to review my website, and it will know exactly what to do. And that is literally the entire process. That is the process that I use to deliver real projects to my clients. It's not difficult to get good results with AI, you just need to have the right process. So as I said, I have left everything for free in the description, so you can download them, play around with them. I'm sure they will come in handy, and I'll see you in the next video.